In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom display name. Whether you're new to Zoom or just need a quick refresher, updating your display name is a simple process that only takes a few moments. Having the right name appear during meetings ensures that others know who you are, and it can enhance your overall communication experience. Imagine being in a meeting where you want sure who is who. Avoiding such confusion is incredibly important. So, let's dive right into it. First, when you're in a Zoom meeting, you'll want to locate the participant's icon in the Zoom toolbar, which is usually situated at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open up a sidebar on the right side of your Zoom window. This sidebar contains a list of all the participants currently in the meeting. It's a great way to keep track of everyone who is present, but today we're using it to focus on changing that display name. Once you've opened the participants list, look for your own name. You should be able to spot it quite easily. Next, hover over your name and you'll notice 3 dots appearing next to it. These dots serve as a handy little menu, providing more options for interacting with your own or others' participant icons. The next step is to click on these 3 dots. Doing so will reveal a small drop-down menu with several options related to your participant name. Among these options, you'll find the one labeled Rename. Go ahead and select that option. Upon clicking Rename, a text box will pop up allowing you to type in the new display name you'd like to use. Be sure to choose a name that best represents you, especially if you're in a professional setting. It's always helpful to use your first and last name, or if you're comfortable, add a branding or position detail for a bit of professional flair. Once you've entered your new name, you just need to hit the OK button to save the changes. Congratulations! Your display name has been updated across the meeting, and everyone will now see the new name in attendance. Changing your Zoom display name can also be useful if you're joining a meeting in a professional role, but usually use a personal account. It's a quick way to switch identities for the appropriate context. Keep in mind, if you're not the host and you're attending a larger meeting or webinar, the host may have restricted this feature to ensure consistency and platform integrity. In that case, it's always fine to reach out to hosts and ask them to rename you accordingly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can ensure that you're always accurately representing yourself in any Zoom meeting. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.